Hello everybody. I wanted to go over the markets because for crypto I can already tell that I'm completely out of all trades, but we will go over it in a bit in some details. So first of all, Bitcoin, as we can see, we are in a range, and then we have the anchored VWAPs from this low, this high, this low, and we can see for all of them we're still above it, so we're still at support, and so far that still looks positive. When we start to break down below, let's call it, let's say 65k, then this would be more bearish. If we look at the Binance Basis Oscillator, then we can see we're about in the middle. So it means speculators or determining what the price is. So the futures, the price of the futures are higher than spot price, but it's not extreme, not extreme high, not extreme low. So it can still go either way here. Let's see. So on the other hand, we can see over here that we had a nice upwards trend line, which got broken now. So now we're gonna have to see whether we can reclaim this one or not. So looking on the 1 hour time frame, then we can see for Bitcoin we got the short signal, and let's have a look. Yeah, with this one got closed with a small profit. If we would say we would enter here and exit here, yeah, almost 2%. Ethereum, yeah, more or less the same. Also small profit, it seems, entered here, exit around here, more or less, almost 3%. Then on the daily charts, so if you follow the ATR algo, then we already got a sell signal over here on the 31st of May, and we are still short. And if you follow the turtle trading strategy, then we got the exit signal last night. So we got 1, 2, 3 buy signals over here, and now we did exits. So that means 2 entries were in profit, and then this last one, this pump, this one closed out with quite a big loss. Ethereum, also here. The turtle strategy was not relevant. You can see here fake, so that means that in the previous trade we were profitable, so then it doesn't trade another time. It will wait a bit to let the market cool down. So here for the ATR we got an exit signal also last night. So we got a buy signal on this almost 20% pump, and we got a sell signal below, so that means we ended up in a loss. Let's see, so this would be 4.63% of loss. Solana, same story here. Buy signal on the pump of almost 11.6%, and then we got the exit signal below, so this would be a loss of 5.8%. Then XLM, well, we got a sell signal, we're still in the short, so nothing to report here. Then we have XRP, also nothing here. We got a buy signal the day before yesterday, then yesterday we got the exit signal again. But what I'm looking at is here some kind of Fibonacci compression. So we have this low, this high, this low. Then we have a lower high, a higher low, lower high, higher low. And now we're breaking out of this compression pattern. So then when you run your Fibs, then my first target would be 0.4384, and then my final target would be 0.3747. So this is not an algo trade, but this one I traded manually. So XRP, that's what I'm looking at. So from current price, that would be another drop of, oh wow, 21%. So, and then we have Gala. Oops. So same story here. From algo trading perspective, we're still short. But also here, you have this low, high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high. And we did break out from this pattern. Also here, if you look at the anchored VWAPs, the red one goes from the top, and then the green ones from previous lows. And we can see we're all below those ones, so also very bearish. So first target 0.03288, and then next target would be 0.02549, and from current price that would be a 27% drop. And also from XRP, if you look here at the anchored VWAPs, it's exactly the same. We have a lot of them here above, but we are already below that for a long time. And then from this low, if you take your anchored VWAP, you can see we ended up below, and for me this was the confirmation to go short. So these two don't look good at all. Then traditional markets. So if we look at gold, anchored VWAP from the all-time high, we're below it, that's fine. Then anchored VWAP from this low of the 14th of February, then you can see we found support around this level. If we break down to this one, then the next one I'm looking at is the VWAP from the 6th of October, the low. And this one would be around here, $2,156. For the algo, no signals. We got the exit here on the 23rd of May. Silver, same story here. Exit signal already on the 4th of June, so not in a trade. If you take the anchored VWAP from this high, from the 12th of April, you can see we found support on this one. Next level that I'm watching is from this low, the 14th of February. This anchored VWAP would bring us to around $27.6. So also for the moment, no algo trades on this one. Then the stock market looks much different. So for Nasdaq, we got a lot of buy signals. So for now, quite neutral, plus 0.02%. Euro USD. Here we got the ECB lowering the interest rate, and this caused the dollar to be stronger, so Euro USD is going lower, and we got a short signal yesterday. Crude oil, it looks like we will get a buy signal today, but I'm not too optimistic about this one, because as you can see, we have the VWAPs converging around this price level. So I might expect maybe it come back up a bit and then will fall down. So it also doesn't look too good, and it looks like we get also some Fibonacci compression here. Low, high, higher low, lower high. This is interesting. So let's pull some fibs. So this is your low, this is your high, and your higher low. So yeah, maybe I should take a short position from over here. Let's see. Then my first target would be 66.27, and then a final target would be 56.36. So from current price levels, that would be a drop. First target of almost minus 20%, and final take profit minus 31.66%. So the economy is definitely weakening. So let's gonna see what OPEC is going to decide, whether they will still reduce their pumping yeah, we will see. But I think once the market decided to go short, there's nothing that it will stop it. Copper here as well. We got exit, and let's see. We got different buy signals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did exit over here, so that means the last one was closed in. It was closed with a loss, and the other ones are in profit. Then individual stocks, Apple. Oh wow, interesting. So the day before yesterday we got a buy signal, and then yesterday we got a pump of 7%. That's a very nice trade. Adobe, nothing. Amazon, we already have 2 buy signals. Alibaba, nothing. We got an exit signal quite a while ago. Same for Walt Disney. Alphabet, still in a nice trade. Those buy signals over here at the bottom and still going up nicely. MasterCard got in the recent days some buy signals. McDonald's got a buy signal, and then a few days ago we got out again. Meta has been buying, the algo has been buying in the past days. Microsoft exit signal, so nothing. Nike, here an entry signal, buy signal, no exit, and now it keeps on buying. So for now this one also looks good. Nvidia, also a very nice trade. I don't know what this long wick is. I guess it's some kind of a glitch. But we got a buy signal on the 23rd of May, and since then the algo has been buying. Palantir got a buy signal on the 5th of June. Tesla doesn't look good. We get buy signals and then immediately we exit afterwards. So this happened at the end of April, and then also here. On the 21st of May, buy signal, but we did exit again with a loss. So it doesn't look good. Nasdaq we already discussed. And then the S&P 500, also here, buy signal, has been buying. And at the moment we're above it, so that looks very good. Just maybe one more thing for the French amongst us. The CAC40 looks really bad. This is like getting it looks like a Wyckoff distribution. So you can see we are ranging over here. We got a high over here on the 28th of March, and then what happened on the 10th of May, we just popped above it to get the liquidity and then go down. And here this white line is a support line, and as you can see, when Macron was deciding to have new elections, the stock market dropped minus 1.35%, but we did climb up to fill the gap, or to almost fill the gap. And then the day after, we fill the gap, and then we dump again another 1.33%. So it starts to look that this white line is now resistance. So this might be a good short opportunity. And then to which level? So this bluish box is what I'm looking for. This was the top over here, and then here we get some kind of retest as support. So the range of 7,550 to 7,650 looks like a nice take profit. If we would reach that resistance level again, the white line, then this would be a trade for 3 to 4.5% of profit. All right, okay, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.